This is the freight elevator at River Park Commons in Southside Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Just an old Otis with manual Peelle doors, black buttons, and it's also hydraulic. Now let's call it. Yeah, from what I heard, that the motor, controller, and fixtures have been replaced. And yeah, it took a second for it to come. And also, yeah, that sounds like a new motor. And there's a new rubber car top control. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I also heard the fixtures were replaced. Here it is. Yeah, I got yellow luminaire kids. This thing looks pretty cool though. Close the outer door. Air gate sure wants to close. Close the air gate. Yeah, I got JL Jet Plus EP on the inside. Yeah, I think this was mounted at the same time the main one was mounted. We're gonna have one. Definitely new controller. Yeah, the main one has an Otis surgery one from 1998. This one was mounted at the same time. There was another freight here, but I think that one I remember. But look at this. This thing's still pretty cool. That beam. It's an open shaft. See, I'm going to switch the new one. I don't think it can be though. Also interesting on the windows on the side. I got one. It's hydraulic. Okay, and checks for the button off for reset. And I'll look out its logo. I wasn't able to write this down for the maintenance person, which is going to hold on. Phone. Let's go back up to 2. It's pretty with the car top control because you can't really even sit on the car top. I have no clue what that is. And Otis did do this model, and it's not labeled. That's gonna be it.